Hello, hello, hello. Hi, ladies. Hi, gents. Hope everyone is doing well. I know you guys haven't seen me for a while on my page. It's a reason for that, and I promise. Dealing with the new baby and all that experience, and I just started vlogging, so I did not know how to manage my time between the baby and vlogging. So that's why I took a break. But today's video is going to be based on making pizza on your stove top if you do not have an oven. If you do not have an oven and you're interested in this video, please stay. I promise you would like this video. I will explain to you step by step how to make a wonderful pizza on your stove top. Let's go. Okay, guys, now that we come to the end of the video, if it was a video that you enjoyed, please would you kindly like, comment, and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta!